Hola amigos y buenos días. Soy Ruth, soy profesora de español and I also write books and I have un libro nuevo coming out en diciembre. Okay, I just want to read an excerpt from mi libro to you today to give you a little taste of what it's going to be like. ¿Comenzamos? La pronunciación of entiendo sounds like entiendo. Entiendo means I understand. I like it when you find a word en español that can be said like a letter or some letters of el alfabeto inglés. Here are some others. Eso means that, and it sounds like eso. Y means and it sounds like E. I means there is or there are or is there or are there, and I sounds like I. Si means yes or if, and it sounds like si. Que means that, and it sounds like que. Que means what? Sounds like que. Es means it is. It sounds like es. You could say eso sí que es fantástico, and that would be a complete and proper Spanish exclamation. Eso sí que es fantástico means that really is fantastic. It's good. Bien, ¿cierto? Then there are a few other words connected with la palabra tener, which means to have, which can be said like letters del alfabeto inglés. If you like this little excerpt, por favor, click like on the video, subscribe to the channel. There is a complete pronunciation guide to this new book. It is called Learn Spanish in a Week. It is out en diciembre and it's for beginners to get to a level of being able to speak en español durante 5 minutos. Just look for el libro on Amazon and I hope that you will enjoy it. Hasta muy pronto, amigos. Adiós.